Why do I look like a guy who I'd never date with these bushy brows? And this is not even the bad part of this video. There's going to be a lot of bad parts, or maybe this whole video is going to be very terrible because I ordered makeup from Meesho and I know for a fact that it's going to be terrible. Let's see where we will go with this makeup. I'm in Satan with balls on my head and I'm choosing to do the makeup that I know that is not going to work. This little box of death has it all, sent by Satan himself, and this is what I have. So we are starting off and I will show you about this thing. These are the graphic liners that I bought and two of them are missing. Those were black and brown, and with that I did my eyebrow and too bushy. Hate this. I hate this already. I cannot fix this because I didn't get my brows done. So that is what we have. Going with this Huda Beauty primer. It's supposed to be illuminating, but it's like clear gel. It's supposed to be waterproof. I don't know, I have my doubts, so I think this should be enough. What is this? वैसे कोई irritation ना करे, itchy peachy ना हो. With that one drop I covered my whole face. It's like okay, it's not too bad. It feels like aloe vera, but like low quality of aloe vera. It's not sticky, it's just gone. It's in my skin now. I don't know what poison this is. Oh god, this is so embarrassing even for myself. I keep dupes with myself and I use a lot of dupes of a lot of products, but this is so embarrassing. This is the real one that I use and this is what I got. Like you can tell it's lighter. I mean, this is like yellow, this is like white, pink. This is gonna turn me into a ghost or something. What? I think it's gonna go with my skin because my face is lighter than my body, so I guess. I really like the sponge. It's very soft and really cute. I said it's gonna go with my face because it's lighter, but I'm wrong. I can be wrong too. It's like be right. No coverage. No. It smells like that lip balm जो बहुत पहले बचपन में सबके पास होती थी ना, रोल ऑन वाली. उसमें से एक अजीब सी स्मेल आती थी, ऑयल जैसी, हल्की हल्की. It smells like that. Is it doing something? I don't know. I cannot tell. Maybe it's making me a bit white. Yeah, I'm feeling like a white ghost, like a BB cream. It's like that magic foundation जो अपने आप कलर चेंज कर लेता है और आपकी स्किन जैसा हो जाता है. It's close to that. ये कलर चेंज करके आपको white कर देगा. The smell, it's killing me. There is this weird urge that I want to smell my sponge again and again because the smell is so like, I don't know, there is something about the smell. Then remember in the last video I said that do not buy a contour like this because this is terrible, and I bought this contour. Yeah, this is what we have. I'm going to throw this away after this video. It's not that I already made up my mind that this is not going to work. This is not going to work. When I did patch test, I tried to smudge it, I tried to do everything on my hand and it didn't like do anything. So, but let's see how it's gonna work on my face. Let's do concealer first because why not? Do not buy this even if you want to, even if like go without makeup, that's fine. But if you're gonna go with bad makeup, like just don't go with the bad makeup. You're going to put some money in that makeup and you're not gonna get what you want to get. So what is the point? I'm gonna do this half of my face first and then we'll see if there is some difference or not. Small little pimples. Tapping is not helping. I need to like smudge it. Some people say that their makeup turns gray after some time, and like why is that? So this is one reason when you use light things. I feel like that, you know, thumbnail जिसके अंदर एक side गोरा हो जाता है, एक side काला हो जाता है. After this, like it's not hiding anything. It's just making me white. Making someone white is different, and like treating a problem or hiding a problem, that is a different thing. Why am I spelling this? Let's do contour of this side too. I'm gonna use a brush. I want to give like a fair chance to this thing. Okay, I think with brush it's a little better and it's not taking a lot of product, so it's still on my cheek. It's not blending like a dream, but it's blending. It's doing what it's supposed to do. You're going to make use of this contour as like a nude or brown shadow or something. It's just that this concealer is very light. Foundation तो खैर दिख ही नहीं रहा, but this concealer is making things weird. अगर मैं थोड़ा tap करूँ तो, because this area was very light. It's giving a little no makeup, but I like the contour more than the concealer. Concealer is light in my opinion, so I don't like that much, but I do see myself using this contour. Now I'm gonna do same thing on this side. Wait, can I do something on eyes with this? It's very light, so it's not looking that light क्योंकि मैंने एक बार ये contour वाला brush ऐसे नीचे भी मार दिया था, तो I think वो थोड़ा balance out हो गया और ये contour भी बहुत ज़्यादा light है. I do very dark contours. Let's do this side. My skin is like dry. I do not feel anything. The primer is gone, the foundation is gone. So if you have like super dry skin, you need to have some cream underneath, like very moisturizing cream. I'm gonna use brush for concealer on this side, and right now my makeup is looking good. It's not that good. I mean, if I give you a close-up, you think this is good, you think this is good. For these things, these are not very blendable. You really need a brush, and it's not even like taking much of your product. What do you think? And a little tapping over here because it was looking very white. Is this looking like a clean girl makeup? We have 3 things left and we have a lot to do on my face. So we do not have liner or mascara here, and we do not have blush. I think I'm doing like clean girl makeup with this thing. This is called Matte Mini Liquid Lipstick in shade, we don't know. We can judge that it's a red, and I'm gonna use it as my blush, and I'm gonna use it as my lipstick. We're gonna do blush first. Blush for the blush. बस ये ना हो कि मैं लगाऊं और वो एकदम ऐसा छप जाए. Okay. Hold on. Do you see? मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो रही है ना, because the primer was very drying. It was not hydrating at all, and a little bit of moisturizer that I had before makeup, I think that is working on my skin. Otherwise, so I would have been like a Sahara desert. I mean, other than this small patch, it's nice. Okay, I'm not gonna criticize फालतू में. Yeah, that's it. Oh, come on. What is happening? ये शायद मैंने बहुत आगे लगा दिया और अभी आगे पैच बन गया. Oh, this patch. I think I need to like scratch my skin a little. I like this. Why do I like this? It's looking really good. I mean, no makeup. You slay. You're gonna slay this. You should buy this. I think, why was I wasting my money on so many things? First I did patch test, so I think you should do that too. I wanna cry. I mean, this whole, the dress, the pearls, everything is coming together. If you see a little dandruff, please ignore it. We are dandruff queens. It's winter. Drying. I mean, my concealer, it's forming a little patches here. It's not creasing, but I do see some patches. So moisturizer is a must before this makeup. I use this highlighter, and I like this more than Swiss Beauty's highlighter. I said it. So डर है मेरे को वो खाली यही है कि एक spot लगाती हूँ वहाँ पे से dot बन जाए. Here. I need this to blend really nicely. Blush or the highlighter. Otherwise, it's great. It feels like I'm putting makeup, like cream makeup on a dry face, and I feel like I have to do all the scrubbing on my face with the brushes. So that is kind of not sitting with me right. Blends it till it vanishes. You can put a bar on its density. I'm gonna use this highlighter for my eyes too. Do you see this? A little over here and a little is going to be here. I never did my like natural makeup, and it's much better than what we started with. Sure. Then we have this makeup fixing spray. It's makeup fixer natural. किसका dupe है ये? Swiss Beauty का. this smells like Rooh Afza. It's rose water, could be rose perfume, but I think it's rose water. It's very subtle. Okay. ये नीचे से पानी क्यों गिर रहा है? Okay. Okay. Okay, it's working now. It made my whole palm wet, so I think it's gonna make my whole face wet. I don't want to do this, the makeup fixing spray, but I think I can do this lipstick. Again, I am just pushing myself a lot today, but I really like this. You can achieve this whole look, but not the eyebrows, because for that obviously I use those color liner thing. My face is very light. I don't think it's visible on camera, but some parts of the video I'm saying that it's really good, it's really nice, it's good, you can use it, but the point is that the complexion things are not of your color. Like concealer is not of your shade, foundation is not of your shade, so like what's the point of makeup? What are you hiding and what are you putting on your face? Without concealer there is no makeup, and you are getting concealer way too lighter than your own skin. So I mean, not everybody does contouring and highlighting, so this whole thing is kind of pointless in my opinion. There is no fixing powder. What the combo that I purchased, there was no fixing powder in that, and makeup fixing spray, I think इसके अलावा कुछ और combination में डालते तो useful हो सकता था. I think liner would have been a better, or mascara would have been a better option than this stupid water flowing पिचकारी. I don't want my makeup to stay. अगर मुझे ये डालना है अपने फेस पे तो I think I can go without this. I really like the whole combo. If you want to learn makeup, I think this is a good kit. You can buy this and learn makeup, and you can see that where you should put your contour or concealer and things like that. But I think it's not a good thing when you have to like wear this makeup and go out actually. And the question comes that how can you make this combination work if you already bought this, or if you have a very low budget and you are eyeing on this combination. I think the one thing that you can do is that you can buy foundation of your color and concealer of your shade. I think then you can make this kind of work. And I think primer too, or a moisturizer for specific makeup, like a cold cream moisturizer kind of a thing, which is like very oily, that's gonna make your makeup stay and that's not gonna break up or anything. I think that way you can make this combination work. Otherwise this is just useless, and when I have to do like cold makeup and I'm crying makeup and all those stupid trends जहाँ पे मेरे को अपनी expensive चीज़ें नहीं use करनी. Expensive क्या मतलब, मेरे को अपना सामान use नहीं करना. I think in those things I can use these things, but I do not see myself using these things again. Other than this thing, this highlighter, contour and highlighter is a go for me. Other than that I don't like anything. And if you are planning to buy, I think you can buy better things. There are better things in the market. It's not what I want you to wear, because that's not gonna make you look pretty and that's not gonna make you feel nice about yourself. You will see again all those scars on your face, like dark circles or whatever you want to hide with the makeup. So again, what's the point? Even if you are putting 200 or 250, I think you can go and eat something nice. You can like eat good stuff. You can, I think, go to Sarojini and buy a good top for yourself. Like you can do anything in that small amount, like a small enjoyment thing, instead of buying this crap which you're not going to use, which you will not be able to use because of its poor quality. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. With that being said, I think I'm concluding this video. I'm gonna haunt your dreams with this makeup.